Notes. That's a very good question, friends. If you are having your exam 6 to 10 months away, I think you don't have enough time to make your own handwritten notes. Therein comes the advantage of Cerebellum. You get pre-printed notes from Cerebellum that you can use along with the main videos as well as mission videos. You have got three options. Number one is main video notes. Number two is quick revision video notes. And number three is mission workbooks, which you can fill while attending live mission videos in the app. All these notes are completely in color, completely in sync with the existing videos, and they have a lot of images also for your use. But if you are a first, second, third or fourth year student and your exam is quite far off, I would recommend try to make your own handwritten notes while watching the videos. I know it is going to take a lot of time. Many times you will feel frustrated but what you are doing. But trust me, when you are sitting in your final examination in the hall, you will realize the importance of your own handwritten notes. It comes with multiple advantages. Since you are writing the notes yourself, what happens? It creates a better understanding of concepts, a very clear, solid development of long-lasting memory, and when you sit in the examination hall, it leads to a very good recall. So best is to make your own handwritten notes, and here also Cerebellum comes to your rescue. You have again two options. Number one, you can make the notes by your own hands in a blank notebook or register. Second is you can use mission workbooks provided by Cerebellum. Mission workbooks, a very small portion is written, but it is given as structured as the live mission videos are going to be. So you can utilize them and you can write almost everything with your own hands. It will help you prepare the notes faster and in a more effective manner. Now, regarding the incompleteness of notes, many times students feel that when I go back to notes, I feel they are incomplete. Now I am going to share few tips with you how to make these your own handwritten notes or pre-printed notes very high yielding for a great result of great success in the upcoming examination. Whenever you are going through the mission videos, the quick revision videos, or you are going through the multiple labs of revision provided by Cerebellum Academy, live examination and discussion, live marathon, or even if you are going through QBank, you are attending a grand test or a mock test. Many times you will come across new fact or a fact that you had missed earlier, or new update in a given subject, maybe a subject like PSM. What I will recommend, make a note of that point. You can write on your existing notes as a one-liner. Keep on adding stick-ons or keep on pasting stick-ons of different colors to help you highlight those important points. And if there is a need, you can add a complete page also. Friends, trust me, when you go for the final examination, before that, you won't be able to watch the videos again. And these notes that you have prepared are going to be your go-to book, or treat it like a Bible. You have to revise that multiple times. All of us know multiple revisions are a key to the success in the examination, and during the multiple labs of revisions with Cerebellum, a lot of revisions you will have to do to your notes which you have written yourself. So I hope you have understood that these notes are going to create a long lasting, very solid memory for you, and it is going to lay down the path to the success. So what are you waiting for? Keep on studying, keep on writing. Stay on course. Best wishes.